Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hello and welcome back to the channel traders. The market is sitting at all-time highs, but a mixed global picture and a crucial week ahead mean we need a laser-focused plan for tomorrow, Monday, December 1st. Will the Nifty finally break 26,300 or will profit booking kick in? Stick around because we're diving deep into the technical charts, the biggest news, and the stocks you must watch. Let's get started. First, the big picture. Our analysis suggests a sideways to positive bias for tomorrow. Why? Globally, the US markets closed positive, giving us a good handover. But domestically, while DIIS, our domestic investors, are pumping money in, FIIs, the foreigners, are still showing signs of selling. This creates a push-pull effect, leading to consolidation near the top. Two major factors will dominate the headlines this week. 1. The RBI MPC meeting. This is the most crucial event. The market will trade cautiously before the RBI announces its policy on December 5th. No one wants to take big bets before the interest rate decision. 2. Crude oil. This is a big positive for India. Crude prices are declining, which is fantastic news for our economy and should keep inflation expectations stable. So expect an optimistic undertone but with high intraday volatility due to the upcoming RBI event. Now for the levels that matter. A. Nifty 50. We are consolidating right near 26,200. Your immediate resistance is 26,300. A decisive breach above this level is key for the next rally toward 26,400. The crucial support is 26,000. If the Nifty breaks and sustains below this number, we could see quick profit booking towards 25,900. Keep a tight stop loss here. B. Bank Nifty. This index is showing monster strength. The immediate psychological resistance is 60,000. If Bank Nifty clears this, it's a quick move to 60,296. The immediate support to watch is 59,400. Where is the money flowing? Three sectors are showing the most promise. 1. Auto sector. Auto stocks are going to be in the limelight due to the impending release of monthly sales figures. Watch names like Maruti and Tata Motors. 2. Pharma and metal. These sectors showed great resilience in the last session. Pharma is a defensive play and metal is benefiting from global price movements. 3. Stocks under pressure. Keep an eye on the IT and media sectors, which saw profit booking. If you hold these, be ready to exit on breach of immediate support. To sum up, here is your actionable strategy for tomorrow. 1. Bias. Sideways to positive. Expect a slight gap up or flat open. 2. Strategy. Buy on dips. Look for buying opportunities near the support levels. But 3. Caution. Keep your position sizes slightly smaller than usual, as the RBI event can trigger sharp moves midweek. Always use a strict stop loss. That's your detailed plan for tomorrow's trading session. If this report helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our crucial daily updates. Let me know in the comments what are your price targets for Nifty tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!
That's all for today's market update. If you gained valuable insights, please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.